If you don't believe that you can make 5, 10, 15, or even $20,000 a month from home, then you will never will. If you think making thousands of dollars from home is not possible or out of reach for you, if you think it's impossible for really anyone to make thousands of dollars a day from home, then you're never going to make thousands of dollars from home. If you think it's too hard, if you think the only way to do it is to join something that's not real or legitimate, if you think the only way that you can do this is by bugging your friends and family, or by selling your own products, or by calling strangers all day, then it's never going to happen for you. But deep down, if you believe it is possible and you just don't know how or where to start, then that's a different story. Maybe you think you need a big following, a degree, or lots of experience. I can tell you that I have the perfect solution for you. Does not require a large social media following, doesn't require inventory, selling, or shipping, doesn't require calling strangers all day, it doesn't require bugging your friends or family. All you have to do is promote existing products from businesses that are already selling like crazy in your spare time. With just a phone and a laptop. It's made me $100,000 in 12 months and allowed me to quit my full-time job in just 8 months. Comment down below interested if you want to learn how to get started with my free 7-step blueprint.